things that could go wrong along the way. You get by with your smile. You can win at everything, but you can't try. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause the rain don't need to worry. It's an easy way. When they're closing all their doors, they don't think about anymore. That sounds funny. Baby, don't be scared of the things that could go wrong along the way. You get by, if you smile. Now it's time to kiss away the sneeze in the Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat. Video SM for 20 years, for the last 20 years. Maraming salamat sa tiwala. At sana po kayong lahat. Lahat ba kayo may video account? Diba kahit saan tayo magpunta, nandyan po ang video. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta sa video at sa SM. At sana po, marami pa tayong pagsamahan sa mga susunod na Pasko pa. Ito pa lang ang kick-off namin para sa Pamaskong Handog this year. Marami pa po kaming pupuntahang lugar. I think next week we'll be in Lawag. And every weekend we'll be traveling and we'll be going around the Philippines. Yes?
Saan?
Siguro tapos na.
Sinabi ko na ba?
Di ba kami message? Christmas message.
Kaya Christmas message ko sa ating mga kababayan is don't limit yourself. Kumbaga kahit saan tayo magpunta, kahit anong gawin natin, always reach high, always aim for your dreams, for your goals, and know that there's always someone guiding you, supporting you, and will help you. Ganyan po ang pagmamahal ng video, Alagang Kabayan. Because ang video, it gives you safety and security, at lagi kami makakausap dahil yan, again, ang Alagang Kabayan.
Yeah.